Yep, another Bronco coming at you. 3, 2, 1. We found another Bronco, again, a third one. So this is actually a different trim. This is the Outer Banks. This one doesn't have the big chunky tires on it. It got a painted gloss black grille, so that's neat. Tow hooks are a little hidden, different front bumper. Oh, this one actually has the hardtop on it too. That's pretty sweet. I don't know if this one's for sale. It's got a bunch of, can't really see in there with all the writing, but oh, it's got painted body color fender flares. Wow. So I guess you could actually really buy this one. I don't know. I don't think this is really a test vehicle or anything. Man. Oh, so it's got the side steps too. Wow, this one really has almost every body color, everything. That's pretty sweet. I kind of like the yellow two-door one with the cutout in the door that they had with the promo vehicle. Oh, you know what I never noticed? Actually, the little like camera mounted on the side mirror. At least it's not like the Civic where it's like a big ass thing that hangs off the side. These wheels are actually interesting to put. It's painted black, and then it has a machined off finish, and then it's clear coated. So I never actually talked about tire sizes, but that is a 255/70 R18. Bridgestone tire, so I don't know if you guys are curious about that, if you need specs, but anyways. I actually think that the white font for the Bronco logo makes it really stand out. Oh no, oh no. Okay, back to this. The front gloss black grille I definitely think is the way to go. It makes it feel more premium with the white font. I don't know how I feel about this bumper though. The texture of it, I know it's plasticky, but it almost looks like this like fake rhino liner.
It looks like a powder coating.
Yeah. Is it a steel bumper? No, plastic. So that's plastic. Yeah, a lot of plastic bits, but you know, they expect you to get it dinged up, so easy to replace. You're not worried about scuffing it up. I mean, I like the little Bronco details, especially here in the side sill. Little Easter eggs. I do wish that the badges were like real badges, you know, not like stickers. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that, but you know, what's this priced at? This one is $53.70. I don't know. Do you think this is worth $53? What else you could get for $53? I feel like X-tier wise, it's kind of lacking for $53. Okay, but that's just me. I don't know. Yeah, cool truck overall. I never talked about the silhouette of the truck, but it's freaking sick. I mean, yeah, it's just, you know, simple, you know, box design, but the A-pillar angle, which is that, looks really, really nice. The touchdown location, it's got a nice dash to axle on it. I mean, it's close, but it's appropriate for the vehicle that it is. Price, I know a lot of you guys commented saying that you ordered yours, so congratulations. I hope you guys got the ones you wanted. I've been seeing them on trucks, so I think you guys will be getting them soon because this looks like a retail truck, so might be for demo purposes, but it'll eventually be able to be sold. So yeah, anyways, congratulations to all of you guys who got yours. Enjoy it for me because I don't have one. And if you're in Michigan, give me a ride. Thanks.